Come and celebrate with us on the 29th of November at Putadichaba Multipurpose Hall. A gala dinner event not to be missed and not to forget, QIMA Musical Awards, where 16 choirs are competing for 6 categories and music types are Apostolic and clapandtap, with your producer El Matite, General Mazenzela, co-host Sandile Mabapila Abantu, and our lovely DJ Tabiso Mokwalanyane. The day will be filled with happiness and the spirit of our loving Almighty God. Get your tickets from participants which are Bahale Basioni, Batepi Batumelo, Christ in Jerusalem, Inkanyezi Church Choir, Liseding Egukanyeni, Letala Bethesda, Lisika La Siema, Prosperous Gospel, Matla Ahaye, Mahlasedi Atumelo, Kopano ya Mapostola, St. Peter's, St. Philip, Soul Providers, True Salvation, and Universal Catholic Church Choir, including web tickets. Gates open at 12 p.m. and event starts at 1 p.m. until 6 p.m. Refreshments will be served. Powered and sponsored by dchoir on stage, Difela, KM Records and Partners in Arts. For more info, 0788 479 354. Entertainment galore and special renditions by Balopollwa, Kgotso, and soloists from the new St. Nazareth Apostolic Church Choir. Ndibeke la uthanda khona.